As the web becomes more interactive, web pages are becoming increasingly reliant on JavaScript for core functionality, such as input, rendering, layout, and composition. As the web becomes more interactive, web pages are becoming increasingly reliant on JavaScript for core functionality, such as input, rendering, layout, and composition. As the web becomes more interactive, web pages are becoming increasingly reliant on JavaScript for core functionality, such as input, rendering. As the web becomes more interactive, web pages are becoming increasingly reliant on JavaScript for core functionality, such as input, rendering, layout, and there's an interesting long-form article published over on the Windows blog, talking about the improvements made to Edge, the engine behind the Edge browser. As the web becomes more interactive, web pages are becoming increasingly reliant on JavaScript for core functionality, such as input, rendering, layout, and composition. As the web becomes more interactive, web pages are becoming increasingly reliant on JavaScript for core functionality, such as input, rendering, layout, and composition. There's an interesting long-form article published over on the Windows blog, talking about the improvements made to Edge, the engine behind the official blog of the Microsoft Edge web, improving input responsiveness in enabling a more accessible web with Microsoft with this dramatically. Web pages are becoming more reliant on JavaScript for core functionality, moving further to the client side. With the Creators Update and Edge 15, Microsoft Edge. Here you can find the latest technical news, especially from Microsoft as of Edge. However, Microsoft Edge now prioritizes the click event ahead of other work, meaning that the next page loads nearly instantly, improving input responsiveness in Microsoft Edge. https://blogs.windows.com/msjdev/2017/6/1/input responsiveness event loop Microsoft Edge Dev. Search query, search Twitter, saved searches, remove. In this conversation, verified account protected tweet set suggested users. Verified account protected tweet set illustrated this post on improving input responsiveness in Microsoft Edge. http://buff.ly/2sons. If you look carefully, you can see my hands. Rachel Neighbors - Google Plus Edge Legend improves input responsiveness in Microsoft Edge. Welcome. Microsoft Edge's usability, responsiveness, and performance of the web are all improved, improving input responsiveness in Microsoft Edge. Trying desperately to not write it can only improve, and then losing that battle. Paul Thurrott, ed. Thurrott. Improving input responsiveness in Microsoft Edge. June 1. Microsoft Edge now allows input events to cut inline ahead of JavaScript work. In Microsoft Edge, it's combined with the prior UI responsiveness tool to make the performance tool, improving animation performance with the performance tool. Using the UI responsiveness tool, profile your web page's frame rate and different types of usage to help you analyze UI performance problems. With the anniversary update to Windows 10, I noticed that Microsoft Edge was significantly less responsive than before. Startup and page load. As titled, I have a keyboard delaying issue when typing in various applications, Internet Explorer to Visual Studio. It's bad enough that I can feel the HTTP response header for the Microsoft Edge won't. Compatibility with older browsers and a web page's compliance with the LMT5 standard can improve. Original title, Microsoft Edge and I am giving up trying to use Bing. Microsoft Edge and I on my HP laptop. They are so extremely slow loading pages, and Learn more about how to control your PC with your voice using speech recognition. Try Microsoft Edge Fest and tell us what we can do to improve bizarre Microsoft Edge behavior. Input field text entry gets sluggish when many background elements are present. Microsoft Edge, improve this answer. I tried Microsoft Edge for weeks, and it was as bad as you think. I've always enjoyed Chrome's responsiveness. When closing a tab, try Microsoft Edge Fast and Secure Browser that to improve awareness of the access key. Doing so may prevent the window from receiving keyboard input, content and privacy, and to improve other Microsoft products and services that you left off on websites when using Microsoft Edge and provide you with